how to transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance. So dollar in this case, it's equivalent to USDT token and USDC token because those tokens are much stable on their price and they are equivalent to dollar. So if you go to markets here, as you can see, if you type the USDT token and we can see the price of that token, as you can see here. Now, as you can see, it's 0.9, so it's almost $1. Now, if you go and type the USDC, it's the same of the USDT, and tap on it, as you can see, so it's dollar, as you can see. So the USDC, it's equivalent to dollar. So in this case, we need to transfer the USDC, in that case, to our Binance. So how to do that from our Bitget to Binance? So how to do that? It's by opening the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets from here, as you can see, and now select the spot from the top bar and tap on withdraw. And after that, what you need to do, in the search bar, search for the USDC like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it and now tap on the on-chain withdrawal. So after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to load this page, and as you can see here, we need to set the network as the BIP20 because as you can see, the fee is 0. Now this is not gonna cost us extra fees. Now to get the withdrawal address of USDC from our Binance, we need to go and open our Binance account. Now after that, what you need to do, just go back like that here. Now after that, what you need to do is just tap on assets here, and as you can see, select the spot from the top bar, and now tap on deposit, and now search for the USDC, and as you can see here, select your token, and now click on the BIP20 as you set it on the Bitget app. So after you select the BIP20 as a network, wait a few seconds to be able to get your withdrawal address of the USDC. Now after that, I will just set it again, and as you can see, you can copy it from here and now go back to your Bitget app and you can paste the withdrawal address in the withdrawal address box. You can paste it here, and after that, set the amount that you want to transfer, and after that, tap on withdraw, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your dollar. In this case, it will be USDC on your Binance. So this is how to transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.